Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ghost touch problem on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, let's remove a screen protector or case. So if you have a screen protector on your KOBO, then that's great, but it can be the reason of your ghost touches appearing. So I would recommend you guys taking it off and seeing if that fixes it. If not, then if you got a case for your KOBO, then you can also try and remove it. It should help a lot. And now what you guys can do is clean the screen with a microfiber cloth to remove any debris or moisture. So grab your microfiber cloth, I got mine right here. So now let's just give it a few swipes. We cannot go too hard on the device though. And now, after swiping a couple of times, we should be all good. Now it should be shiny and it should look cool. And after that, what you guys can do is update the software to fix any touch bugs. So go over to more, here select settings, and now go to device information and select check for updates. Here it will check automatically, it will connect to everything, to the server to check if we run the latest version. And if we do, then it will say your e-reader is up to date right here. There should be a notification popping up soon. So let me try it again. There was no notification, so let me just click check for updates again. And now we can finally see it. Your e-reader is up to date. So that's basically it. If nothing helps you, then I would recommend you guys visiting the service center to get a more professional diagnosis and a more professional checkup. So that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.